Hi everyone, this is Michael from HardwareGeeks.com, and today I am unboxing the brand new GoFlex Slim from Seagate. This is a 9mm thick external hard drive for the GoFlex system, compared to the original drive, which is 14.5mm thick. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Before we do that, it's a 7200 RPM drive, compatible with both Mac and Windows PCs. It's USB 3.0 and backwards compatible, of course, to USB 2.0. So I'm gonna unbox this real quick. Got some tape here. Don't have my knife on me. Peel that away real quick. There we go. Leave that open right there. With a USB 3.0 cable. And the drive itself. Take this plastic off real quick. So this part removes itself. So this is what makes it a GoFlex drive, where you can actually remove the adapter here and connect the USB 3.0 cable. I would assume that an eSATA version adapter is also available. This is the original GoFlex drive. Same size, but you definitely can see the difference in thickness. See if we could focus that a bit. This adapter will work on the older and newer drives. Let's plug it into a computer real quick and see this little indicator light up. It's plugged in. You can actually feel the drive spinning. There you go. It's connected. Remove it. If you have one of these drives, just stick it in. Will work with it also. Plug it in. Actually, it's not working. Yeah, there it is. It's working. It's just that you can't feel this drive spin like you can this one. There you go, and this is the new GoFlex Slim. It's available starting the 5th of April from Seagate. It's 320 gigs. Nice little drive, looks nice, has a nice metal finish. So I'll probably have a review on it for Friday. I can't post this video until Friday, so same day it's available, I'll have my review. Hope you enjoyed the video.